Texas since 2001, providing a consultative approach and educating customers on how their insurance works for them throughout the coastal region of Texas. Priest Insurance specializes in the coastal region of Texas, covering home, auto, business, and recreational insurance.
Hey everybody, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Today I'm here with Dan Priest from Dan Priest Insurance, and we're going to talk about golf cart insurance. You know, I guess it was last year, the rules changed. It went into effect. Galveston County signed it in, or a bill passed. It came down here. Anyway, things have changed now. It's just like a car, just about, isn't it?
It is.
So when someone's buying a golf cart, or they have one now, what do they need to do? They need to call you or their insurance company and tell them you need golf cart insurance?
You need golf cart insurance for a street legal golf cart. So you need to have insurance to be on the road with a golf cart, and we can produce a Texas liability card that looks just like your automobile liability card. There's also insurance that's just for like a golf course, so you need to be specific that you need street legal golf cart insurance. It doesn't change the price, it's just how it's written.
It's how it's written.
Yeah.
Also, some things that your golf cart has to have, and you can go back and look, and we're actually going to do another video talking about it, but you have to have blinkers, you have to have a horns,
Yep.
you have to have turning signals, you have to have the slow moving triangle that you see on farm equipment.
Headlights and taillights.
Headlights and taillights. You have to have all that just like you do a car, and kids can't drive them now. And that's a whole different ballpark, because everyone's used to having their grandkids drive them, or they're sitting in their lap driving them, and now you have to have a learner's permit, and if you do, then you have to have a licensed person, just like a regular car, on the golf cart. Kids 12 years old, 14 years old can't can't take off in the golf cart and drive it down the beach, because you will get stopped.
Right, and so think of it, it is like a car. So the rules that apply to a car are now applying to a golf cart. So you have to have a valid license when you're driving. You have to be able to produce it and be able to produce proof of financial responsibility, which is a Texas liability card.
And when it comes to adult beverages, it's just just like a vehicle. You can actually get a DWI on a golf cart.
Golf cart, so, four-wheeler, yes.
Yeah, any rules that pertain to your vehicle now pertain to your golf cart, but you can't drive them down the highway. This is on roads 35 mile an hour or below. So you can go across 87 if you're going to, a lot of people want to go drive their golf cart to Stingray or the big store. You can go across, across the road, but you can't drive it parallel to the road. So anyway, go to Galveston County, I believe Parks Department, or Galveston County, and look up golf cart. They have all the regulations. As far as insurance goes, you have to have insurance, and Priest Insurance, he's local down here. The family's been down here for generations. He does a lot in the community, and today we're at Crystal Beach Golf Carts, so you could see what the golf carts are like down here. And you can also rent them while you're on vacation. And how does that insurance work?
Well, it's in different cases.
Different cases?
Yeah.
Okay. But anyway, if you need any information, how can they get hold of Priest Insurance?
They can call us at 409-755-7600 or at our website, priestinsuranceagency.com.
Yes, and the the website's cool. His daughter did a great job on that.
So yeah, the cost of liability insurance
it's really nothing.
It's nothing, and you can also insure your cart as an owner for comprehensive and collision, meaning if it's stuck and it floods out or something were to happen to it or get stolen, you combine all that coverage, and it's anywhere from, depending on the value of the cart, $100 to $300 or $400 a year. It's very inexpensive.
A year. Yeah.
And you can list all your drivers on it that normally
That
drive.
way it's covered.
Yes.
Okay, great. So if you need insurance or have questions about insurance, give Priest Insurance Agency a call. They're in Lumberton. He also has a place down here. Also, we're going to talk about, in a coming show, talking about home insurance.
Absolutely.
And I don't know how to phrase it. what it cost you to build, what it's insured for, and what it cost you to rebuild now if you had a claim, because we're coming up to hurricane season right around the corner and everyone's scrambling.
It's here.
Trying to get it going. So anyway, I'm David with Bolivar Live. If you have any questions, you can always contact us at the Tourism Center or go to our website and see Bolivar Live anytime through our 11 live webcams. Until next time, God bless and bye-bye.
With ties to the coastal communities, Dan Priest has had the sand between his toes since 1972 with a home on Bolivar Peninsula in Galveston County. He survived a storm named Ike, but lost his home. With insurance coverage, his family was able to rebuild following the 2008 storm and continues to make memories beachfront. Priest Insurance specializes in the coastal communities, family dwellings, investment property, and business insurance. They've been there. Whether you're looking for or have a family retreat along the Texas coast, investment property, or a business, Priest Insurance would be honored to work with you and your family to make sure you're covered anytime trouble arises. For more information on Priest Insurance and their contact information,